it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video, I am revealing the Mini Kit Monday challenge for the month of February 2023. And in front of you, you see 4 decks of cards. These were created by Stacy. She calls them the story deck. They are available for purchase from Close to My Heart, and I am a Stacy says is the story deck cards are designed with you in mind. You are like me. We each have a lifetime of beautiful memories, thousands of photos, and a stash of pretty paper, stamps, and other supplies. Yet, it's still hard to know where to start, what story to tell next, and how to go about it. Not anymore. Deal yourself a set of story decks and let the fun begin. So you can choose 1 card, 2 cards, 3 cards, or all 4. And for instance, Ready Deck invites you to document a specific story topic. So here this says everyday life, and then it gives you some prompts and ideas like routines, candid moments around the house, at the office, random thoughts, social media, what am I reading? So you can use just this card and gather some photographs based on any of these prompts, or maybe you want to use all the prompts. So you're going to grab several photographs and then go through your scrappy supplies. But maybe you just want to challenge yourself and you just want to use one of these prompts. So then you want to grab a set card. And the set cards use a particular approach with your memories, design, photos, or words. So let's give you an example. So here it says memorabilia. So it, of course, says pictures, keepsakes, tickets, journals, letters, receipts, childhood art, or collectibles. The Go card, you would use something specific like a technique, a product, or color. So let's flip this one over. One big photo. All-time favorite, self-portrait, heritage, school portrait, full page, nature background, family photo. So if you dealt 3 of these cards, here it gives you what you want to document. It tells you, hey, grab a big photo of one of these items. And then here are some other items to go with that. And the bonus will strengthen your skills or try something new. So here for the bonus, it says different sizes, mini, giant, or pocket. Well, this one says big photo. So then I guess you could challenge using a big photo in a mini album or traveler's notebook, or in an 8x11 or 6x8 or 6x6. All right, get it. And let's say you're on a budget. You just don't feel like coming over to Close to My Heart and purchasing this set, but I don't know why not. But anyhow, you could make up your own set of cards. All right. So let me scoop this. So over at our Facebook group site, we selected 4 cards, each from one of these sets. And the one for Ready was friendship. And you could do besties, inside jokes, groups, how we met, roommates, childhood friends. Acronyms. So you could use LOL, you get it. Or you can make up your own. You can use IMO, FYI, on and on. Then the Go was stitching. So you could do faux stitching, hand stitching, machine stitching, embossing. Then the bonus was interactive. So you could use flaps, polls, you could use shakers, hidden journaling, waterfalls. So that is our challenge. These are suggested, okay, in case you do not have the story deck or you do not want to make up your own, you can use these 4 suggestions over at our Facebook group site. Now let me show you what I have put together. And I did mini kits again, which is what I love to do. I like to do mini kits for Mini Kit Monday. Some people like to do one kit, but I like to do mini kit. And I already dropped an embellishment below. So I decided my first choice was How We Met. My acronym was ILY, I love you. I want to do some form of stitching and interactive hidden journaling. And I'm not going to tell you the story because you're going to say, So this is a photo here. Yep, see, it's a photo. So that's my photo. How We Met. And I have a 3x4 card. What do you call this? A 4x6 card. I have the scrap paper from Maggie Holmes' Flourish collection. Another scrap paper from Maggie Holmes. I got some alphas. Some little ones here. I have chipboard. And then I have this 12x12 paper from Crepe Paper, which is from the Marigold collection. So that's my little kit, my photo of my story, my little scrap here of the 4 items I selected from each of those categories. And like I said too, you don't even have to select from each category. You could just do one. You could just make one of your kits about friendship. You could make one about acronyms. You can do another one just with stitching is your focal point and an interactive. Those are your focal point. Or you can select one from each category. You can even repeat. You do not have to change. You could pick one, just like I did, Bestie, or I said How We Met. And then the next one I could do Besties, and do hand stitching again. All right. You do not have to pick a different one for each layout. Now, or each kit. And here's my third kit. And this one I chose friendship. Or wait a minute. No. Inside joke. I think I'm doing inside. Yeah. Inside joke for the friendship. That's right. Inside joke. And I'm going to do FYI or JK. Okay. Which means just kidding. I'm going to do stitching again, and interactive, I'm going to do a shaker. So here are my star shakers. A photograph of my little guy from 4 years ago, I think it is, with his bestie friend. And yes, I could have done best friends, but it's an inside joke, which I'll tell the story later. I'm using Cocoa Vanilla products, and this is mostly from, I don't know what collection. It is a 2020 collection, and I don't remember the name. I think it's No Limits. So I have just a lot of random die cut pieces. Then I have No Limits sticker sheet and word phrases here. I have these orange alphas, green alphas, and blue. Yes, because they go with the background paper. I have this scrap paper from Cocoa Vanilla Happiness. Another scrap paper. I don't know which Cocoa Vanilla. This is all Cocoa Vanilla. Then we have Cocoa Vanilla here again, and it's from 2020. I don't remember. It's Legendary collection. Yep. And then I have this 12x12 Legendary paper, and if you notice, it's got the blue and this green and this orange. So that is my kit number 2. Let me put it in my little sleeve here, and we're not going to start creating until next Monday. So yes, you got to come back and see which ones of these kits that I'm going to use first next Monday. Now for this one, I decided to use the word besties. And the acronym, I made my own. It's going to be WAAT. We are always together. I'm going to do stitching again and hidden journaling. And I had hidden journaling on my first kit. So see, you can repeat it. I have a bunch of miscellaneous items from my box of brown items. We got chipboard. I got this arrow. I have this old die cut piece made by a friend. And I even have some metal pieces here and a large chipboard and about a dog. Yes, our lab. And I'm going to come to that in a minute. And yes, I'm going quick because guess what? You're going to see all this over again when I create my layout. And here's these little metal pieces. Aren't those cool? And that's because my husband, long time ago, was on his airboat with our lab when she was probably only about a year old. And this picture is about 14 years old. And I am going to document this right here. Oh, and then I have pockets here for hidden journaling. I didn't know which color, so I just put them both in there. And then here's my alpha. And here is a scrap paper from the Journey collection from Crate Paper, which is very, very old. Then I have this wood grain paper here, scrap paper, and this is from Close to My Heart. I chose it for this side, and there goes my dogs. And then I have this 12 by 12 paper of fly ties and hooks. Love this. And then I have a French vanilla cardstock. Those are my 3 kits. I can't wait to see what you create. Please come over to our Facebook group site, which I will have the link listed below, so that you can play along and possibly win a gift, a little gift from us at the end of the month. We do a drawing of all the people that post their kits and their layouts over at the Facebook group site. All right, keep coming back on Mondays. I'm sorry this is going up late. I literally have just come home from being out of town, and which was out of state, not just out of town. I just flew back home and forgot to do this video, but it's going to go up right now. We'll see you next time. Bye.